Is your internet fast enough to power your computer? At the Nerdatorium it is. Today's video, PoE powered computer. Hey Diesel, mind plugging the power cord into my computer?
Sure, no problem.
So first off, this is dangerous. Don't try this at home. Or anywhere in that case. So what is PoE?
PoE stands for Power over Ethernet. And what it would let you do is power low power consumption devices over your standard Ethernet cable. That way you don't have to keep power outlets in the middle of your hallway.
So like APs or security cameras or
Yes.
computers?
Not so much computers, but that's what we did today.
That's right. Because the PoE standard only allows for 30 watts at 57 volts.
57 volts.
And the computer's how much? 60 to 200 watts at 120 volts.
Depending on the age of the computer.
Yeah. Well, and this one happens to be 140 watts, which we are within the current confines of the Cat5 cable. But anyway, what do we have here that enables us to do this? First off, we have the PoE injector and then our modified network card, because both devices have to be enabled for this to function.
Yeah. And desktop network cards were probably never even envisioned with PoE capabilities. That's not something you'd make in a desktop card. So, well, the main part of this that makes this work is the modifications done to the card in order to deliver power to the system. We took the unused pins of the network card, that because 10-100 networking only uses 4 wires, 2 pairs of a 4-pair cable. So we took the 2 unused pairs, separated them off the network card, and attached cabling to them to hook up to the power supply.
And then on the PoE injector, I basically did the same thing, except I just had to remove. This was actually a PoE injector, but it was only for 48 volts. It was a 60-watt injector, though. But I removed all of the components on there, and then I just wired the 120 direct to the unused pins to match the cabling of the network card. And that allows us to get that 120 volts to the computer.
Yep.
But, well, you can show here, Diesel can show that there is nothing else connected to this computer. We just have the monitor cable hooked up and this Ethernet cable. And if you go ahead and disconnect the VGA, you can see that that computer is connected to this monitor. Like, this is no joke. Then you can also see our path here. We have our blue cable going to our PoE injector, and then our yellow cable going into our sacrificial Linksys router. It helps if I actually plug it in. Thanks, Diesel.
Oh wait, no.
And then the green cable goes off to our home network. So, Diesel, if you go ahead and you want to run a speed test just to show the users that this is actually going to move data. Yeah, you need those.
Yep. It's running right.
But we left them unplugged so that way you would see that this isn't coming from anywhere else. Although USB powered computer might be another video. God, that seems like a dangerous idea. Let me just touch these keys and get electrocuted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
5 volts? You mean 125 volts.
Yeah, not a problem.
2.4 milliamp fast charge, or
Yeah,
2.4 amp fast charge, or like 2.6 amp power charge.
Power charge.
All right, so speed test. Here's the site loading through our powered Ethernet cable, which is the blue one, and the yellow one, which is getting its connection from the router. We'll begin the test here, and you'll see it's able to move data.
So there we go. We've got power and data moving across this line. If we remove this, it'll shut down. I mean, this is working.
Yeah.
So.
And our internet connection is better than 25 megs. 26 this time.
Ooh. Yeah, we're limited by the junky Linksys router. We did not want to plug this into our, $800, gigabit switch.
Yeah, gigabit switch.
It's just not the thing we want to do.
That wasn't going to touch that. So hopefully it would cook this before it got there, and we realized the signs that that's getting cooked fast enough. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have anything that you want to see us do, make sure to put it in the comment section. We plan on doing more crazy builds like this, doing things that probably make some engineer cry in his sleep of what we can do with technology and all the parts we have here. So,
Remember, don't drop your hard drive.
or pull your Ethernet cable out. Where's that cable?
Well, that was uneventful. I dare you.